Hi, this is Mr. Thap. We'd like to share with you what we have done this past week.
I'm sure you will be shocked with our achievements. This past week has sure been electric. What? Well, without further ado, I'm pretty ecstatic to see what the team has been up to this week.
I need a partner to interview Mort in minutes with. Hey, Alex! You want to be my partner?
Sure.
I'm Lauren.
Let me just buy some electrical tape really quick.
This is Alex.
This is a vending machine. Hey guys, it's me, Pokemon trainer Alex here.
And we're gonna go interview the tech sub-teams.
Let's go this way, because I've never been this way before. Whoa, it's a wild ride over here at programming. What did we just watch? What's your name? And what else has programming been up to this week?
So I'm Nick, and what we just saw was the turn degrees program, which causes the robot to turn a certain amount of degrees. And I know other people on programming have been working on vision targeting and getting the robot to drive a certain distance.
It's inspiring.
Quite the ride. And now we're here with design. What's your name and what have you guys been working on?
My name's Christian, and we've been working on finalizing the robot and working on the prototypes and all that stuff on CAD.
That's pretty good.
What's your name and what's your sub-team?
I'm Megan Tyagarajan and I'm on Chairman's.
Chairman's? What has Chairman's been up to?
So recently what we've been doing is like working on the essay, short answers and finishing everything up, and we've started planning the pasta dinner, which is like the big event that we have.
That's really cool.
That's Alex.
I'm still here.
We're partners.
They ain't kicked me off yet.
We're besties. So, I don't know where Alex went, but what's business been up to?
So, business lately, we've been working on business newsletters for our sponsors. We've also been doing sponsor fundraisers. So that's basically what we've been working on this week.
Woo! Good job! So we're here in Mechanical. What's your name and what have you guys been doing?
So I'm Jason Carney, and right now
Yeah, Jason, what have you been doing this week?
Okay, so we've been working on the drivetrain, but right now we had a little bit of hiccups, and we're working through them right now.
Where's Ryan True, Jason?
I'm not allowed to say.
Where's Ryan True? What'd you do with him? We'll get back to you later on that.
I wonder what's been going on in electrical.
I know what's going on in electrical.
Huh. Wow. What's been happening?
So this week, electrical played around with 2 types of new encoders, and we found they work really well. We worked with the programming sub-team on that. We got them nice and clean for the season. We also played around with some LEDs, some magnetic limit switches.
You're so educated. And there he goes. Alex.
Come back.
Alex.
Things were better.
We're going back to the anchors.
Oh my gosh, we sure have been productive.
Why are you like that?
Hey, that hurts. Well, that's been MORT this past week. In just a few minutes, we'll see you guys next week.